I greet everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to disable sound on your MT4 or MT5 account for PC. This is for PC. So what you do is you click on tools, you locate tools on your MT4 or MT5 account. After opening the account, you locate tools. After locating tools, you click on it and then you scroll down to options. This is options, so you click on options. After clicking on options, these are so many informations over here, but we don't need these informations for now. So what we need is event, so you click on event. After clicking on event, you tick this box. Mine is turned off. Normally this is how it is, so when you come here you take it off. So after taking it off, you click on OK. So this is how to disable sound on your MT4 or MT5. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Like this video, subscribe to this video and share with friends and loved ones. Thank you so much.